Today I will show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers from the Play Store on your Xperia Mark 5 Mark IV. So we start from the Opera. In the Opera, just click here on this tab icon and go to the private. Now just add a tab by this plus. You are in the secret mode. The next way is a Firefox. In the Firefox, just tap on the Zero Mask. But if you have any website, enable. So like this one, go to the taskbar icon and switch to the Zero Mask again and add a tab. The next one is Microsoft Edge. Like in the Opera, just click here on this tab icon and switch to the unprivate. Then go to the plus and type your web browser. And the last one is Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, go to the 3-dot icon or arrow icon if you have any update and go to the new Incognito tab. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.